But the issue is not with understanding Amosu as a word, but in the understanding of the word witch. The word wizard comes from the word wise, which is also the root of the word wise, wiz and wisdom, and in itself means philosopher or sage. The word witch comes from wis, which I'm probably saying wrong, but means diviner or female wizard or magician. And both terms are used for the knowers and researchers of that pre-Christian Nordic society, people who study and apply the knowledge of the natural world towards practical use, the way a scientist would today, in doing something like making medicine, for example. Now, when Christianity was forced on the population there, everyone who derived knowledge or does anything that implies learning outside of the biblical context or church canon was stigmatized. Killings of people we now call astronomers and scientists and physicists in old Europe is well documented. So yes, Amosu means witch or wizard, but with a lot of these misconception issues, the problem doesn't come from our understanding of the Igbo word. It's the misunderstanding of the English word. That's the problem.